tomorrow will be better. A man driving at 20 meters per second sees an obstacle. If his reaction time is 0.5 seconds and the net braking distance is 14 meters, find the total stopping distance. Follow me, dear friends. Solution. The trick in this question is to understand the question itself. Now we have someone who is driving and he perceives an obstacle. Now we are told his reaction time is 0.5 seconds. What does reaction time mean, dear friends? It means the time or the moment from which the driver perceives the obstacle and then sends information to his brain, and then his brain reacts back for him to take action. That brief lapse of time is what we call the reaction time. So what I want you to know in this question is that during this reaction time, the car doesn't stop. The car is still moving and at the same velocity. So which means during the reaction time, the car covers another further distance before the driver takes action, which is applying the brakes. So it would be very ideal for us to start by computing that further distance which the car covers before the driver applies the brakes. This is the trick in this question. So during the reaction time, I will call reaction distance. Reaction distance will be equal to, now we have the velocity and then we have the reaction time. From here we can find the reaction distance. Reaction distance will be equal to velocity times reaction time. Reaction distance is equal to velocity times reaction time, and this is going to be equal to the velocity 20 times the reaction time 0.5, and this gives us 10 meters. This means before this driver actually applies the brake to bring the car to a stop, he covers another 10 meters from the time he perceives the obstacle. Now the question is clear that the net braking distance is 14 meters. Therefore, the total stopping distance, distance total will be equal to the net braking distance, which is 14 meters, plus the further 10 meters which he covers during the time his brain is still analyzing and taking action. So, and this will give us a total stopping distance of 24 meters. And this is how easy it is. Tomorrow will be better.